Welcome to the batch of My Captain Workshop 2020 June for the C++ workshop, right? So, yesterday was the meet and greet. So, I wish every one of you well, and I hope you are safe and your families are also safe. Now, we are going to start from tomorrow. Our days for the workshop are Wednesday and Friday, 9 p.m. Okay, so what I want you to know today is I want you to set up C++ in your computer, in your system, in your laptop, or in your PC. If anything, like if you want to set it up in your computer, that will be a great thing. Also, we can also work with online compilers. What are online compilers? So let's see everything from scratch. Okay. See, first of all, you have to set up C++ in your operating system in your system. So if you have, I will be providing you with this link. This link has all the it helps to set up C++ in your for every operating system, either it be Mac, Windows, or Linux. So it has the whole information. Like, this is a great resource for that. I will be providing you with this. Also, what I wanted you to start is, like, after setting it up, after C++ is running in your program. So after C++ is you are able to run C++ in your program, what you have to do is you can start with the My Captain application course. The course there is beautifully designed into modules. There are modules, there are questions, and you have to submit those questions. So the course goes like this: that first of all, it begins from the basics, like loops, arrays, functions. It goes on to pointers. After that, after covering pointers, we go to object oriented programming. In that, we see some oops, and cover after that we go to projects, right? So we are covering, it's a very, it's a wholesome course. So what I want you to know is what I want you to know is what you have to do is, I know that you are very excited for the course and you are very excited for the workshop. So I wanted to know how things work. See, we will have a lot of practice in the My Captain application course, but also I would suggest you, because all the coding tests happen on HackerRank. Most of the coding tests today happen on HackerRank. Either it be for the Mindtree, either it be for the Wipro, either it be for Adobe. So uh, I would like, if anyone wants to begin it, tomorrow we will be officially starting, because tomorrow is Wednesday, the first live session, the introductory live session. Tomorrow we will be starting with C++ properly. We will be diving into code, we will be diving into syntax, we will be getting to know about each other more. So what you can do is, you can, like, I will give you the link in HackerRank. How can you start with C++? You can go there, start with very, very pretty basic stuff. This is for anyone who is like very, very intrigued and want to start it from today itself. He cannot wait for tomorrow. So this is for those. Okay. So you have to go there and you have to read the question. It is very, very easy. Just you have to print hello world in C++, and it will be guiding you. It will be telling you what is the right code, what is the wrong code. And I wanted you to know this. I wanted you to be familiar with this platform, because this is the hiring platform for major MNCs, major IT companies in India and the global world, right? So this being HackerRank, about HackerRank, this was for some people who are very, very curious, very, very like in the mood to practice. And one more thing, like, when you're going to practice, there will be doubts. 100% there will be doubts. So for the doubts, we have, like, every batch has its repository, right? So this is the repository for the last batch. A similar repository will be created for you guys, where, like, day wise and session wise, for example, this was their first session was on 1st May itself. So I think that might be a Wednesday or Friday. It was a Friday, right? So your session has your notes, your codes. For example, let's open any sample. A 20th May, the session that happened on 20 May 2020, right? So it has all the notes, all the codes that we created, all the codes we went through, and notes also are there. So everything will be like different for your course, and it will be uh, customly created for your batch. So you don't have to like copy anything or go through here, but it's just for reference, I'm telling you. And also, like whenever you will be solving questions in the in hacker rank or at geeks for geeks, or you will be doing questions of my captain application, also you will be doing projects in the end of the course, so you will be getting some doubts. So how do we will deal with doubts? Those doubts have to be like message to me, and we will be like together solving those doubts. We have a doubt contest. I will be putting up those doubts for all the people to solve, like along with me. So I will be putting those doubts, and see, this is the doubt contest folder. Inside that, day by day I put all the doubts. For example, on 8th May to some people, like this was the doubt, so I put the doubt statement. You guys come here on GitHub, you see the doubt, you solve it, you send me the solution. If the solution works, I upload the solution here, and more I do, I put your name on the like here. This is the leaderboard kind of thing. Like, so like these are the people who participated in the doubt contest. So we have a foolproof plan. We have a foolproof platform. We have things for practice, questions for practice. Don't worry, I will be giving you a lot of homework. I will be making your lives hell in terms of giving you homework, and also I will be solving your doubts, and the whole community will work together as one to solve each other's doubts. So I hope that you are happy now, and you can start with this part, and it's very easy, very basic. I will be giving you something about syntax, and tomorrow we will be discussing everything about how the course will work, how things will work, how doubts are to be asked. So just to give you a heads on, so that you don't get bored on 2nd June, right? So let's get started, let's get excited, and welcome to the course again.